Installing Windows 10 on 10 years old laptop. I brought SSD from TrachitZ, installed it to the laptop. Do this carefully and don't damage hardware. I am replacing hard disk with SSD. If you are enjoying my content, then subscribe my channel. Now I will remove metal support, attach to hard disk and install it in SSD. Then finally install SSD in laptop. Then fix all parts and put on screw. Now I will install Windows 10 from this bootable USB. In Dell laptop you can press F12 to go to boot menu. Then select USB. As you can see, the setup is running. Follow on-screen instructions and complete setup. If you want me to make complete setup video, then comment below. Setup process can take some time. Setup is now completed and the laptop is working well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.